Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create this basic progress bar using Kdenlive editor. To begin with, I'm going to drag and drop this video from the project bin to video track 1. So this is the original clip with no progress bar. And now to add the progress bar, go back to project bin, right click and add color clip. Now select the color for your progress bar background. Let's make it white, click OK. And then right click again, add another color clip, and now choose the color that you wish to have as your progress bar. So let's make the progress load as red. Click OK. Now first of all, we have to take this white background color clip and drag and drop it to video track 2. Now adjust the duration, so this is basically how long you wish your progress bar to last. Let's say I want to start the progress bar at the very beginning, but finish around here. Okay, next we have to go to Effects, and in the search bar type in and find an effect called Crop, Scale and Tilt. Now drag and drop this effect on the video track 2, color clip white. And as you add the effect on the right hand side here, color clip effects, you need to adjust crop left. So basically define the borders or the size of the progress bar. So let's make this 160, crop from the right 160 as well, crop top. It's gonna be something like 890. And crop from bottom. So this is how wide our progress bar is going to be. Around 136 is fine. Okay. Next thing we have to do is insert one video track for the actual progress bar now. So right click, insert track. One track above video track 2 is fine. Adding video track. Okay. Now back to project bin. Add this color clip in red. So drag and drop it to video track 3. Now make sure you match the duration of the progress bar like this. And now we have to go back to effects as well. Add the same effect, crop, scale and tilt, now to this red color clip. Okay. And now we have to also add the same values on the effect settings. So you can click back here on the white one. It was 160, 160, 890 and 136. So that was 160, 160, 890 and 136. Okay, so now we're reflecting the settings. Next, we have to move the playhead to the very start here. Now crop right. Increase the crop right until this progress bar is at 0. So around here, now it's at 0. Then move the playhead where you wish to have the progress bar full, completed. So it's going to be this point in time here. Then back to color clip effect settings. Click on this button to add keyframe. And then adjust crop right. So now we have to make sure we fill up this progress bar to make it full. Okay, like this. So now the progress bar is complete. If I move this playhead to the very start of the clip, replay, and this is our progress bar. Now it's gonna run and complete at around this point in time. And this is it. This is how you add this basic progress bar using Kdenlive. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.